Coleen Rooney has suffered another huge blow in her battle with Becky Vardy after being handed a £200,000 legal bill. The wag had already been ordered to pay £65,000 in costs after failing to get Becky's agent Caroline Watt added to her lawsuit. 3. Coleen Rooney has been handed a £200,000 legal bill credit, splash. 3. Coleen has to cover Rebekah's legal costs credit, splash. It is another big setback for Coleen, 35, wife of Derby County boss Wayne, in the ongoing Wagatha Christie saga. A source said, as if losing this latest round of the legal battle and having to pay almost £70,000 to cover Caroline's legal fees wasn't bad enough, Coleen has now been stuck with another massive bill. As part of the ruling, she is having to cover 20% of Becky's legal bill for this hearing, which will be a minimum of $40,000, and another $65,000 for Caroline plus $165,000 of her own costs. It means, in total, she will be forking out £250,000. So far, the spiraling legal costs in this case are grotesque. It was ruled on Monday that Coleen would not be able to add Caroline to her lawsuit for misuse of her private information. Coleen's application to London's High Court followed the disclosure of text messages between Becky, 39, and Ms. Watt where Coleen was called a nasty B and a C. Mrs. Justice Stein dismissed Coleen's bid and said delaying the trial would not be fair on Becky. Becky, wife of Leicester City striker Becky Vardy, is suing Coleen for libel after she accused her of leaking stories to the media. Their trial is expected in May. 3. Coleen, pictured with hubby, Wayne, is still confident of victory despite setback.